welcome back to another YouTube video. If you don't know me already, my name is Luna, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your pool table. So, first thing I'm going to do is make sure that you have a sponge. Make sure that your sponge is nice and wet before we begin, and then we're just going to start to scrub down the whole table. So, I'm wearing a raincoat because it normally gets really hot, not hot, very wet, because it's always raining. So I'm just going to wipe down all of the surfaces, just around the side, just like this, and I'm going to go all the way around, but I'm not going to go all the way around, you should do that. I'm just demonstrating, and then what I want you to do is to just keep cleaning, like this. Make sure you get all the spots, and really clean into it. And then you're going to get some balls, and you're going to take your balls, and you're just going to go round and round, rub round and round, like that, until your balls are nice and shiny. I don't know if why it's not focusing. Focus on my ball. Focus on my ball. Focus on the ball, not my face. Okay, fine. Anyway, keep cleaning round and round. Make sure you clean the entire thing. And then it's perfect, just like that. And again, I love my outfit. This is my raincoat. Give you a close up. And yeah, that's how you clean pool table and balls. I really hope that you found this useful. And if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.